Hi everyone, so for today we have this digital wall clock. So this is an amazing product because you can also hang it up in the wall or you can keep it in your bedside if you want to as your nightstand. So in the product it comes with the clock and a control remote that it comes with. And then it also comes with cables and all the things that you need. So it comes with a cable here, it comes with the instructions and manual, and then it comes with the control. So basically whenever you want to charge it, you use it with that. So this is a product right here. So basically you just turn on whenever you want to. So basically you just connect it and then it will turn on. So it has to install it if you want to install it and hang it up, or if you want to just keep it in your nightstand, you can also. So you can you can set your time, you can increase and decrease as well. So this is a product, it's really nice and cool to have. It gives you lights, it has 8 different types of colors that it will show you. It is LED and it's super nice and cool. I love this product so much. So hope you guys enjoy this product. Thank you so much. Bye.